Okay. Good. Deep breath in and out. One more time, deep breath in and out. Good. Alright, so the two spots that we're going to work on goes right in here and right in here.
Okay.
So first things first, keep your thighs to the table. We're going to bring one arm up and over. We're going to bring the other arm up and over. We'll start with that lower one first. So I'm going to rotate you this way. Good. We're going to get that upper one after. So I'm going to rotate you this way. There we go. Alright, let me have you lay face down again for me.
Okay.
We're going to bend the top leg. Good. And then I'm going to have you flip to the other side.
Okay.
And then lay flat on your back.
Okay.
Okay. So from here we're going to do those leg pulls. So I just want you to relax your legs for me, okay?
Okay.
Let me have control. Good. Felt that in the ankle, the knee? Good.
Yeah.
Going up. There we go. And let me have you stand up.
Okay.
Come all the way up. And I'll have you turn around and face. Yep, face that way.
Okay.
Perfect. Bring your arms up for me. And put your hands over mine. Yep. I'm going to lean you back. I got you. Squeeze your elbows together. Good. And then have you take a seat right here, facing the wall that way. Okay. Bring one arm up and over. Bring the other arm up and over. Good. So let me have you take a deep breath in and exhale out. Good. And relax right there for me, please.
Okay.
Hands on your stomach. Good. And now we're going to do the wide strap.
Okay.
This is where you're going to feel that decompression from up top going all the way down.
Okay.
And lift your head up. Can you pull your hair through for me? Good.
Ooh.
And deep breath in. Breathe in and out. There you go. And relax. Deep breath in and out for me. Heart and tail kind of move around. Look up, look down, to the sides.
Yeah, it feels better. Yeah, much better.
Good, and then bending forward, bending backwards.
Oh yeah, I don't feel that right here.
Good, yeah, lean into
Straight.
the sides.
Yeah. That feels good.